Check it out. GameSir sent me their new Tarantula Pro wireless controller. This controller has tons of features. I'm going to try to keep this quick, but there is a lot to go over and I'm excited to go over it. So let's get it unboxed and check it out together. Okay, so in the box, we have the charging stand right here. We have the controller. We got the connector via USB, little instruction manual, and the cable. Let's check out the controller. All right, we got the controller unboxed. It has a great design pattern right here on the front. Let's go ahead and get it turned on. Oh, that's cool. That's really nice. And these buttons are switchable. So if you don't like Y, X here, you can put X up there, Y over here. So basically you can switch this. It has 9 programmable buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 keys on the back, 8 and 9. For some reason, if you don't want to use these keys, it has a locking mechanism. You just flip this switch and now you can no longer push it. See that? Pretty nice. Also, the triggers, if you're playing a regular game, they go all the way down, right? Which is great. These have hollow effect switches, but check this out. If you're playing an FPS game, you flip this switch right here, like that, and now it's a short click for FPS. If you're playing Fortnite, you're playing Call of Duty, and you need that fast trigger, this is amazing. Perfect. One of the best things about this controller, it works with multiple devices. You can use this with the Switch, PC, Android, and Apple devices. So it connects via Bluetooth, it connects via NFC, and then also right here, you can connect this to your computer, which I'm gonna do in a moment. And it connects directly that way for low latency. So we're gonna connect this and we're gonna play some games with it. All right guys, we got the controller hooked up. Let me say this controller feels really good. It's heavy weighted. The material is great. It's definitely a premium high quality controller. So let's get into Fortnite and check out some gaming with it. Check it out guys. I really like the way these buttons glow. They're like glowing inside of the circles, almost like a Infinity 3D kind of thing. Super cool looking. All right guys, I want to show you the hollow effect on here. So this is regular firing, and now let me go ahead and turn it on where it's the FPS mode. See how much quicker it is? You don't have to push it all the way down. Back the other way. Now you're having to push all the way down. You hear the difference in that? It's almost like a mouse click when you turn this on. Way better, way faster firing. It's really good. And this control feels smooth. The controller, the grips on these are great. It feels really, really good. But yeah, this controller works amazing. Super smooth, super perfect, no type of stick drift. Yeah, so these are their new TMR sticks. They have 1000 hertz polling rate and they feel great. They're supposed to prevent any kind of stick drift at all. All right, we found somebody. Let's destroy him. That was too easy. That was too easy. So basically on your PC or your phone, you can log in, customize the colors, the triggers, the action buttons. So you saw the Fortnite gameplay, you saw the software for the controller. I can imagine that you can set these 2 back buttons. If you play like Call of Duty Black Ops, for example, one for executions, one's for like sliding omni movement that will put your game at peak gameplay. Absolutely amazing controller for the price. Would highly recommend. I can't imagine finding a better controller at a better price. Oh, let me show you the charger real quick before we go. All right, so this is your charging device. You just set your controller in it like so. And boom, it is charging just like that. So yeah, amazing controller again.